Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out 470 Brainerd in Midtown, Michigan, Detroit.
Money calling, pussy popping on the handstand. I'm in the field, I got the basics loaded. So this one is like a grand slam. You say you love me, baby, that I know. But you could love me from my whole phone. The money calling, baby, gotta go. I'm hitting C-notes like I'm Mozart. Goddamn, I catch a stain in my white tee. Goddamn, I hit a nigga with the light feet. That bitches out here buying all the ices. She just tripping off a hippie more than likely. Bitches tryna sightsee, diamonds dance like 9 books and 08, boy. I had bitches on me, heel toe. Bad ones got my pockets deep cold. Yeah. I think they're low cause we blessed.
Wow! Oh, this is such a dope unit! Oh my gosh, guys, this is starting to become top favorite just because how unique is this? Wow, this is a real loft. Like, this is a real city loft. And yeah, this is pretty incredible. Can you tell by the smile on my face? Yeah, this is pretty incredible. All right, let's take the tour. So we are at 470 Brainerd, Unit 3. This is absolutely phenomenal. Definitely what I would call a true Detroit loft. In fact, I'm a little jealous. This is pretty cool. I would love to have a unit like this. So when you first come into this, I really was not expecting the way it looked. It is huge. The ceilings here are amazing. And you get all of these natural beams. Oh, true Detroit style. When you first walk in, you get a really cute and functional coat closet. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. The bedrooms are very unique. They have this amazing brick white wall, which is original to the building. I love original features, so to have the ceiling, the floor, and some of the walls original is like super amazing. Your views are that of a neighbor, but they aren't too bad. So this is bedroom number 1. You definitely don't have a light system in here. You want to bring in some lamps with you. Then we have closets. Pretty good size for this type of room. You can always get, those open closets as well. And then we come around and we go right to the right to the 2nd bedroom, which I'm assuming is the master because this is so much bigger. Again, the ceilings are amazing. You get that custom wood panel in here that also has a bit of the old plaster on top of it, and you get the concrete floors. This is such a unique place, wow. I mean, the ceiling height is incredible. I love tall ceilings, so this is bomb. And then again, you get about the same type of closet space, and then we move on into this hallway. This hallway is huge. I mean, it's just, talk about parties. If I owned this unit, I would be putting just artwork everywhere on these walls. This would just be one art gallery. And then we go into the bathroom. It is only 1 bathroom, but it is beautiful and big enough to hold that space. As you can see, it has a really nice big tub, beautiful shower design, everything's redone, beautiful toilet, and then I love these that go with the factory features. Absolutely love these Edison industrial looking bulbs. And then we go into the laundry area. Yes, this one does have in-unit laundry, and it's very loud right now with the HVAC. But you got your washer and dryer there, also closed away in a closet space, so it doesn't have to be in front of everyone. And then we walk into the pièce de résistance of this place, which is just beautiful. So here you have your dining area where you can put a dining room, and then here they have a little sitting area. Don't mind my coat and everything. You can put the views are so beautiful. I wouldn't even want to put a TV in here. But you get a beautiful view of Midtown and particularly the Masonic Temple. And then we move right into the kitchen. The kitchen is your typical beautiful loft style, which I absolutely love. Open concept, no islands, and it's redone to be a beautiful white and gray. I usually don't go for gray, but these countertops along with the gray cabinets is just gorgeous. One of my top faves so far that I've seen. And one of the unique things about here, it has a storage closet for you, but it's not just any ordinary storage closet. It is actually a storage closet repurposed from what I believe was a vault. This is what I love about Detroit so much, is that you can actually find units that have these old vaults in it. I'm not entirely sure what the history is, but this is so unique. Take a look at this. This is an old vault door. Look at that, guys. It is an old banking door. Can't twist it, but it is so heavy. The coolest part about this is that you go into here, and it's a vault. It's like the banking room where they would like lock away stuff. I'm assuming like expensive things that you wanted to lock away for whatever reason. This is so amazing for storage space. You have so much shelving. Like I've never seen storage like this in downtown Detroit in any unit I've been in. Floor to ceiling shelving, like legitimately. And where do you go and get a unit that comes with 2 huge bank vaults? Like what? And they come with your unit. How cool is that? Even down to these old sliders. Like, wow. I am a huge history buff. So this is just, oh, this is tickling me right now. And you get 2 of them. Look at, you get this one too. I am such a history buff. So this is just so amazing that you get 2 bank vaults in here. Like, unheard of. It's so hard to even find one of these in a unit. I've never seen one in a unit. I see them in like commercial spots and like restaurants and stuff, but yeah, you get it in here. And look at this door. Look at this old doorway. It's so small, but it's also like super cute. It comes with like the old school locks that they repurposed. How unique is this space? Like, wow, I am really impressed. I have not seen these units before, and they are amazing. Now let's do a little talk. We are in 470 Brainerd Street, Unit 3. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath unit. It is 1,400 square feet, and it has beautiful original concrete floors and the original wood and concrete ceiling. Everything is exposed. Everything has the original brick, whether it's painted or just sealed. Also, the windows are phenomenal in here. Your views are incredible. For a 2nd story, I am very impressed. This unit is going for $2,500 a month, which is a great price for what you're getting and the location you're in. This Midtown area is upscale, and you're right in the middle of all of your restaurants, so it is a steal. I truly did not expect this when I came in. This is what I would call a true Detroit style loft. You have your exposed pipes and wiring. This used to be the LaSalle Electric Company building, which is so unique that they repurposed all of these units into actual lofts. There's only 3 available to rent in this building, and it is something you do not want to miss. It is phenomenal. Everything you could need, and you are in the heart of Midtown. A block from Cars Avenue, your view is looking directly at the Masonic Temple, and you are right in the middle of all of the Midtown restaurants and areas. Plus, Brainerd Street is surprisingly a quiet street, so you don't really have to worry about that Midtown traffic or college student traffic, because all of these are luxury units. Not too many college houses around here, so you don't have to worry about too many parties, unless your neighbors are throwing it, because this is a dope spot. I would recommend, if you got this place, to fill it with artwork. This is a unit that you want to make a gallery for your house. You also get a private outdoor space in the back where you can just relax and recline. Of course, we would go there now, but it is so full of snow, I don't think it's a good idea. You also get gated parking and street parking for your friends. The street parking is free, so you don't have to worry about that Detroit parking tickets. We all hate the parking meter people, don't worry. One of the unique things is this building actually houses the Richard Bennett and Associates Design Studio, which is one of Detroit's own and finest. So you actually are living in a very artsy place, which is why I was saying if I had this unit, I would fill it with as much artwork as possible, because this is a place you want to throw parties, you want to have events, charity events, art gallery, anything you want. this is the space because you have the room, the size, and it is just that feng shui. Another amazing part about this unit is that you do get the in-unit washer and dryer, which is a must for downtown. If you don't have an in-unit laundry or dryer, you are fighting with everyone in the building, wherever it is, whether it's in the basement or your floor or a certain floor, for those laundry units. I personally have to fight for my laundry units, so when I see a place that has in-unit laundry and dryer, it is a win for Detroit. That just saves a lot of headache and time, and if you don't have to do elevators or stairs, if you want to tour this unit or have any more information about it, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I will be linking this in the description box as well, so you can kind of take a look, see what you think, get some more details, but this is probably one of my favorite units and probably one of my favorite loft buildings in Midtown. This is something you want to get onto right away. These units usually go very quickly. I hope you enjoyed this as much as me. Don't forget to like this video, comment, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel because I will be bringing a lot more amazing luxury units from downtown Detroit to you. And if you want to keep in touch, make sure to leave me a comment, hit me up on Instagram, let me know if you want to tour this amazing place. Thanks so much for taking this tour with me, guys.
Nah, books and 08, boy, I had bitches on me, heel toe. Bad ones got my pockets deep, cold.